Network Technology HSPA/LTE. Launch announced 2016, October. Status available. Released 2016, October. Body dimensions 143.8 by 69.5 by 8.5 millimeters. Weight 143 grams. Build front glass, aluminum body, partial glass back. SIM Nano-SIM. Splash and dust resistant. Display Type AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. Size 5.0 inches, 68.9 square centimeters. Resolution 1080 by 1920 pixels, 16:9 ratio. Multitouch Yes. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 4. Platform OS Android 7.1, Nougat, upgradable to Android 8.0, Oreo. Chipset Qualcomm MSM8996 Snapdragon 821. CPU quad-core, 2x2. 15 GHz Kryo and 2x1. 6 GHz Kryo. GPU Adreno 530. Memory card slot no. Internal 32 128ths of a gigabyte, 4 GB RAM. Camera primary 12.3 MP, f/2.0, f/3, 1.55 micrometers, gyro eyes, phase detection and laser autofocus, dual LED flash. Features geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama. Video 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30/60/120 fps, 720p at 240 fps. Secondary 8MP, f/2.4, 1/3.2, 1.4 micrometers, 1080p. Battery non-removable Li-ion 2770 mAh battery. Display contrast ratio, 8. Google Assistant. Ask it questions. Tell it to do things. To start, just say OK Google, or touch and hold the home button. And the more you use it, the more useful it gets. It's your own personal Google, always ready to help. Your phone, never full one. Never lose a memory with unlimited storage for your photos and videos, all stored at full resolution in Google Photos. And use smart storage to let Pixel help free up space when you need it. Just set it up once and say goodbye to those annoying storage is full warnings. Your photos, smarter. It's easier than ever to capture that perfect shot. Take crisp photos, even in low light. And catch action shots as they happen with Smart Burst. Once you've captured the moment, Google Photos keeps all your photos backed up and organized, so you can find and share them faster than ever. Your closest friends, closer. Google Duo is a simple video calling app for Android and iOS that brings you face-to-face with just a tap. And with the knock-knock feature, you'll see the caller before you pick up, so you never miss a moment. 2. Your chats, your style. Google Hello is a smart messaging app that helps you say more and do more. Bring your personal Google Assistant into your group chats to find restaurants nearby, share videos to watch, and get answers. Express yourself better with stickers, Smart Reply 3, and much more. Your battery, charged fast 4. When you need a quick charge, the reversible USB Type-C charger gets you up to 7 hours of battery life in just 15 minutes. And when you aren't using your phone, Doze automatically puts it into a sleep state to extend your battery life. So you can always move at your speed.